Tired of living for others? Here's how to take back your life, starting now. You don't need validation to be great, trust yourself. Saying no to others is saying yes to yourself. Your journey, your rules. Not everyone deserves access to your energy. Do what sets your soul on fire. Solitude isn't loneliness, it's self-discovery. Respect your time, energy, and peace. You don't owe anyone the life they expect from you. Your journey is unique, embrace it. You are your greatest investment. Happiness comes from within, not from pleasing others. You can't pour from an empty cup. Your gut knows what's right, listen to it. Success is what you say it is. Normal is overrated, be unapologetically you. New places, new perspectives, go explore. You're not for everyone, and that's okay. Your life, your choices, no explanation needed. The world needs the real you, not a version made for others. You have one life, make it yours. Which of these are you starting today? Comment below. Subscribe for more self-growth content.